First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to cover the Day 3 Daily Score Booster questions. In this video, we are going to see simplifications, approximations, quadratic equations, missing number series, and wrong number series. 5 questions each in each topic. And we are going to practice it with the actual speed that is required for exams. In this video, I am going to solve the questions with the actual speed that required for the exams without any explanation. Let's see this one. 20 square, which is 400. 400 minus 15 times 2, 25. Okay, 20 times will be 180. 180 plus 27, 207. So, whole of this we get 7 minus 5, which will be 2. This will be 8. 5 minus 2, 382 divided by 2. 191 times, and 209 comes this side with plus 0 and 400 equals to x square. So answer will be option A. Now second question, here 30 plus 25, 55 divided by 5, 11 x square equals to, this is 26 square, 676 minus 401, 275, 11 25 times. So x value is equals to 5. Option B is our answer. Third question, 8 into 162. 160 into 8 times will be 1280, and 8 2 times 16. So 1296. And this is 12 9 times. So 108 minus 13. Okay. This comes this with plus 121. So if you subtract 3, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 6, so 12. This will be 1 and 1 cancel, and 11. 1 here, 1 here. 4, 5. 1512. Answer will be 1512. Option A is the answer. Question number 4. X into 17 minus 15% of 4, which will be 60. Okay, equals to 240 plus 12, 252. 252 plus 45, 297. This 60 plus 60. So this will be plus 67, 5, 357. And here we have 17x. X into 17 equals to 375. 17 2 times is 34, and 1 times 21. Option A is our answer. Fifth question and the last question of simplifications. 8x plus, this will be 12, 18, 7 times will be 126, and 0 equals to 360 plus 180 plus 10, 190. So 190, this will be 550. 550 minus 70, which will be 480. 480 equals to 8x. 8 60 times. So answer will be 60. Option C is our answer. Now we are going to deal with missing number series. First, it nearly seems that into 2 times 1000 minus 6, 9994 into 2 times, which will be 1988 minus 6. It is into 2 times, which will be 7910. 20, 18 and 14 and 15, 820. But it is minus 6. So it must be into 2 minus 6. And the next one must be into 2 minus 6. So 1982 into 2 times. 1982, 4, 16, 10, 19, 3964 minus 6. So 395, 6 means 8. 3958 is our answer. Option E is the answer. Now the second question. Here we see a difference of 36. Here we see a difference of 25. Here we see a difference of 16. So here it must be 7 square. 49 is the difference. Here it must be 8 square. 64 is the difference. So 213 minus 49. Or else 100 plus 64, 164 is our answer. Option C is the answer for this question. Now third question. Here we see a difference of 36. Here we see a difference of 59. Here we see a difference of 72. Okay, let's see double difference. Here the double difference is 13. It is a prime number. Let's take the next previous prime number, which is 11. So it must be 48. So the difference between these two is 48. And here we take a difference of another prime number, which is 7. If a difference between the next one is 7 means here the number must be 41. And the next difference we got is 5. So these are prime numbers, double difference. So 461 minus 41, which will be 423. 423 is our answer. Option A is the answer for this question. Now question number 4. Here we see a difference of 8. Here we see a difference of 11. Here we see a difference of 20. Let's see double difference. Here is 3. The next one 3 means 14. The next 3 means 17. 17 plus 3 will be 20. So here the difference must be 14. So 46 plus 14, which will be 60, is our answer. Option B is the answer for this question. The last question of the missing number series, which is here. Here we see it is nearly half times. If it is half times, what will be? We get 242 plus 6. Here we see nearly half times, which will be 124 plus 8. Next one, nearly half times, means 66. 66 plus 10, which will be 76. So it is clear that divided by 2 plus 6, divided by 2 plus 8, divided by 2 plus 10. So the next one must be divided by 2, means into half times, which will be 38. And the next one must be 6, 8, 10 means it will be 12. So answer will be 50. Option D is the answer. Now we are going to deal with approximations. 30% of 3660. So 366 into 3. 18, 18, 19, 3 times 9, 10, 1098. 625 means 25 plus 25. Here it is 480 minus 480 equals to x divided by 2. So here what we have is 13. Okay, here 8, subtracting 8 we get 1 plus 3, 4, and 10 minus 4, 643 into 2 times. So 643 2 times will be 6, 8, 1286. 1286 is our answer. Option B is the answer for this question. Second question, 90 into 72. 90 into 72 divided by, this is 81, 9, 10 times 9, 8 times, 9 times 9, 8 times will be 72. So 10 8 times 80 minus 625 whole equals to minus 300% means 3 into 2500 minus 7500 plus 5x. So this plus 500 7500 comes this side with plus 7500. This will be 8057 minus 625. So answer will be 5, and 7 minus 2 5. This will be 9, and 6955 is our answer. Whole equals to, it is given that 5x also. 5 1 times 5 19 means 3 times 15, and 45 means 9, and 1 times 1391 is the answer. 1391, option A is the answer for this question. Third question, 215 divided by 5, 40 times and 3 times 43. Here we have plus 665 minus 120 and here question mark square plus 104. 104 comes this side with minus 104. So here we have 8 minus 4, which will be 4, and 10 minus 2 8, 6 minus 2 which will be 4, 484 equals to x square. So answer will be 22. Option B is the answer for this question. Fourth question, 1 by 5 into 285, 5 times 25 and 35, 7 times and 361, 19, and here we see 120 whole equals to 9x minus 11 comes this side with plus 11, so 17, this will be 4, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 2, 0, 7, 9, 2 times 18 and 3 times 23 is our answer. Option C is the answer for this question. Final and last question of approximation. So 25% of 248. 25 means 1/4. 1/4 of 248 means 6 times and 2 times minus 18 into 24. I see percentage and double zeros cancel. Okay, 18, 24, 48, 4 times, 18 4 times will be 72 and 36 plus 7, 43. 62 minus 432 means minus 370, and here minus 11 square which will be minus 121. So totally we have 400 minus 491. So answer will be option A, minus 491 is the answer for this question. Now we are going to deal with quadratic equations. First question, here 8 12 times, so 6 2 8, we need to get 22. 8 2 times 16 and 6 are the roots. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Okay, here we have 117. 117 means 13 9 times, which will be 117, and minus of these two we get to minus 4. So okay, minus and minus means we get to plus and minus is the root signs. Bases are not equal, so multiplying this with 12, so this will be plus 156 and this will be minus of something. These two numbers comes in between plus and minus of these numbers, so here we get x greater than y and x lesser than y, so there is no relation can be established for these two equations. Okay, next second question. Here we see 80 and 3, so we can write 80 as 16 5 times and 3 5 times will be 15. Sum of these two we get 31. Okay, minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Here 210, 210 means 14 15 times will be 210. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Okay, now the bases are not equal, so we need to multiply y equation with 3. This will be 15 3 times, 45 53, 14 times, which will be 50, sorry it is 42. 14 3 times will be 42, and now by comparing these two it is clear that x is lesser than y. First second question. Now we are going to see question number 3. Here we see 182. 182 means 14 13 times 182. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Next one, here 75 and 16. Let's write this 16 as 8 into 2 and 75 as 15 5 times. Okay, now we need to get 74. So 15 2 times 30 and 8 5 times 40. No, 8 else we going to do this 75 as 25 3 times. 8 3 times 24 and 5 25 2 times will be 50. Sum of these two we get the value of 24. So minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. So both the roots are in positive. Bases are not equal, so we need to multiply this with 16. So 16 13 times, which will be more than these two numbers, and 16 14 times, which will be more than these two numbers in y roots. So it is clear that x is greater than y. Next one, fourth question. Here we see 180. 180 means 845 4 times, which will be 180, or else this will be 15 or 12 times. So difference between these two, we get 3. Plus and minus means minus and plus are the roots of this equation. 8 1 times 8, so 4 2 times will be 8. So the roots here is 4 and 2. Plus and plus means both our roots are in minus and bases are not equal, so we need to multiply this equation with minus 8 by comparing 8 12 times, which will be plus 96, and this will be 120. These two numbers comes in between these two numbers, so it is clear that x greater than y and x lesser than y comes here, so there is no relation can be established for these two equations. For the fourth question, okay, next we are going to deal with the question number 5. Here we see 406 into 2, so 2 here, 406, 2 here, and 203. I don't see particular factors for 203, so it must be a factor of 7. 7 2 times, which will be 14, and 63 means 9 times, so it is 729 times. Here we have 4 into 7, which will be 28, so the roots we got is 29 and 28. Sum of these two we get 57. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Now for y equation, here it is clear that 2y square minus y minus 1 equals to 0. So we need to get 2. So 2 1 times will be 2. Minus and plus. Minus and minus means plus and minus all the root signs. Okay, bases are equal, so we don't need any multiplications. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Now we are going to deal with the wrong number series. Here we see a difference of 484. Here we see a difference of 400. It is clear that it is 22 square. It is 20 square. Here we see a difference of 6 and 2 and 3. 326. It is not any square. Here the next difference we see is 4, 5 and 2, 254. It is also not any square. Here we see a difference of 6, 9 and 1. It is a 14 square. So it must be 18 square and it must be 16 square. These two are wrong means in between them 1220 is our wrong number. Second question. Here we see it is nearly half times, which will be 7.5 plus half. We get 8 into 1 times plus 1, which will be 9, into 2 times, which will be 18. 18 plus 2, 20. The next one must be into 4 times 80. 80 plus 4, 80 plus 4, which will be 84. The next one must be into 8 times. 8 times 640. 640 plus 8 4 times 32, which will be 672. 672 plus 8 will be 680. So here 89 is the wrong number. Third question. Here we see a difference of 11. Here we see 14. Here 16. Here we see a difference of 19. Here the difference is 23. I can clearly say that these three numbers are prime numbers. So it must be the prime number of 13 and it must be prime number of 17. So in between them, this is our wrong number. So 37 is our wrong number. Now we are going to deal with the next question. Here we see a difference of 9. Here we see it is plus 9 and it is minus 28. It is plus 64. It is plus 64. Here we see a difference of minus 125. So I can see cubes here. 41 plus 216 will be 257. So these all are cubes, but these two are not. So these two are not cubes means this is our wrong number. it must be 2 cube and it must be 3 cube, but these are not. So 130 is the answer. Now we are going to deal with the final question of the day. Here we see it is nearly 5 times. Into 5 times we get 1125 plus 6 we get 1131. Here it is into 4 times, which will be 240 minus 15. Here we see into 3 times plus 9. It is into 2 times 14 plus 3. It is into 1 times plus 2. So it is clear that into 1 times plus 2 into 2 times plus 3, it must be into 3 times plus 4. So 17 3 times 51 plus 4, which will be 55. 55 4 times, which will be 220. 220 plus 5, which will be 225. So it must be into 4 plus 5. So in between them, this is our wrong number. 60 is our wrong number. By this we have completed today's daily score boosters of Quant. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching. Please do like the session and subscribe.